over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Saka.
Hola, Brass TV. Waloka Brass TV. Kenya go short ne. Previous week we check Rocha League 10 times in a row. Yeah, in a row. Don't panic. In a row. Whatever dia game ba. Ba abalebele game aba study game. Ba lebella fela e game team kora. Kona ba rene Sundowns strong. Wa igushe. Wa opla go burtse ka rena ma Sundowns. Di supporters. O nya go re boele moraro go pela khatiso tshware lo ikere. Because re ma Sundowns la hore re nya go bona Sundowns re ya raloka. Ke he ikora fela. A re nya go bona re ba jala yo. O bona bolela nnete. O ya ka nna my personal view. Sundowns ya jala no. A ona motho wa re tshela league.
Yes,
today ba tletse ne. Wa bona Stellenbosch ne ba ne ba reng re jele. Bo kopana le ona go la. A re tsebo ru dira la. Ene ba re shia ka game ko pe. I get. So Stivo relaxa rena ke gale re le mo fielding ya Sundowns. A re ne le go re gale re joga di Rothmans. Ka mishikashi. Ya o le thata wa igusha. The same coach no ba re ngupua o re isitse ka final nya kef wa igusha. So this person o mo tja jola ka i% ana le di assistants jana le tsona ba re ndipua. No o ka se ba check that mentality. Ma Sundowns please are relaxing. Re tlo tja league botse ka peace re se ra roa coach ra rena re se ra roa di assistants tja rena a re ten stadium ka na mogwano re supporting di player tja rena league ra tja botse 10 times in a row 10 times in a row.
Thank you, Saka. Thank you, my leader.